Married to the game, hit my vow with a ring. I give you my all, nothing less than anything. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bet you we was younger, your mama friends with my mama. Your mama was like my auntie, but
hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and subscribe because you want to be a part of this team. Also to my OG subscribers, thank you for being supportive. Thank you for coming along with me on this journey. You guys know I love you. So as you guys know, I did a Valentine's Day outfit idea. That will be down in the description box below. And I did a Valentine's Day makeup. But I had to come back and spice it up for you guys and give you guys this anti-Valentine's Day look with a paired black lip. Like, do y'all see it? Like, I am feeling myself today. If you're interested in this hair, a hair review will be up as well. But stay tuned to the video if you're interested in this look. Have you hit that like button yet? Have you hit that subscribe button yet? Like, don't be fake. I can see you. I do see when you guys subscribe, so make sure you smash that subscribe button. Let's get started. Yeah. Married to the game, hit my vow with a ring. I give you my all, nothing less than anything. Yeah. Bet you we was younger, your mama friends with my mama. Your mama was like my auntie, but knew you wasn't my cousin. I always looked at you different, felt like something was missing. Honestly thought I was tripping, cause we was only some cheering. What I know about the feelings, I know that you know the feeling. Be honest, you still feeling. Got harder to deal with them, the older we both got. Freshman year we took it there, always together everywhere. Females hating on you, I gave them every reason to stay. I love you, that's anywhere. I miss you when you're not there. You kill them bitches every time you come around. Baby girl, you shut it down. Finally grown, you poppin' now. All the homies asking how. Lil' bro, how you back that? I tell them to back. They lay where her friends at. I'm like, she don't have that. Shorty got her own back, and she know how to hold that. But when it comes to shorty love, she know that I own that. Married to the game, hit my vow with a ring. I give you my all, nothing less than anything. I give you my all, nothing less than anything. I give you my all, nothing less than anything. Married to the game, hit my vow with a ring. I give you my all, nothing less than anything. I give you my all, nothing less than anything. I give you my all, nothing less than anything. Know when it comes to shawty trust, I never do wrong that. She like where your phone at, yeah baby you got that. When it come to that shit, I would never trip back. No need for no lockers, no need for no passwords. I told you I'd never cheat, I still mean those passwords. You my everything, my one and only queen. The only one I need, the one that's here for me. Why would I ever leave? No sneaking and geeking, promise I ain't creeping, girl. These are the niggas foolish, don't know what they think. If shorty riding for you, do whatever for you. Why would you ever leave her? Heard that mistreated, shorty I'm different from her. Grew up me and my mama, so I respect the woman. I treat you special, take it another level. Please accept the sweater ring. Will you marry me? I want a house on the hill, 2 boys and 1 girl. My family, my whole world, and I want one with your girl. Let's make it official, girl. You got what the mother done. My love is your home, my heart is your home, so baby come right along. Married to the game, hit my vow with a ring. I give you my all, nothing less than anything. I give you my all, nothing less than anything. I give you my all, nothing less than anything. Married to the game, hit my vow with a ring. I give you my all, nothing less than anything. I give you my all, nothing less than anything. I give you my all, nothing less than anything.
to the game, hit my vow, wear the ring. I give you my all, nothing less than everything. I give you my all, nothing less than everything. I give you my all, nothing less than everything. Man to the game, hit my vow, wear the ring. I give you my all, nothing less than everything. I give you my all, nothing less than everything. I give you my all, nothing less than everything.